So here we have three terms which are in AP. So using this fact, we need to find out the value of x. So let's begin. Now we will consider, let's say we have three numbers A, B and C that are in AP. Then in that case, we can say that 2b will be equals to a plus c, where b is the middle term, a and c are the first term and the third term. So in our case, our middle term will be, we have 2 times log of 2 raised to the power of x minus 5 with a base of 3. That's equals to the first term, which is log of 2 with a base of 3 added to the third term, which is log of 2 raised to the power of x minus 7 over 2 with a base of 3. Fine. Now what we'll do, we will use some properties of logarithm. For the first logarithm on the left hand side, we have of the form a times log of b, and that's equivalent to log b raised to the power of a. And for the two logarithms which are added on the right hand side, so they can be combined, we have log of a plus log of b. In combined form, that will be log of a times b. So let's use these two properties. So we'll have log of 2 raised to the power of x minus 5 squared with a base of 3. So that's equals to log of 2 with a base of 3 multiplied to, here 2 will be multiplied to 2 raised to the power of x minus 7 over 2. Right. Now this is done so that we can get rid of the logarithm from both sides, because there is an equality sign and both of them have the same base. So we have 2 raised to the power of x minus 5 whole squared. That will be equals to 2 multiplied to 2 raised to the power of x minus 7 over 2. So that means we have 2 times 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 times 7 over 2 will be simply 7. Now let's expand the term on the left hand side using our identity a minus b whole squared. So we have 2 raised to the power of x whole squared minus 2 times 2 raised to the power of x times 5 plus 5 squared, which is 25. And we'll transpose these two terms from the right hand side to the left hand side. So we have 2 times 2 raised to the power of x plus 7 equals to 0. Right. This gives us 2 raised to the power of x whole squared minus, so this will be 10. So we have 10 times 2 raised to the power of x, and this is negative 2 times 2 raised to the power of x. And 25 plus 7 will be 32. Fine. Let's do further simplification. So we have 2 raised to the power of x whole squared. So these two terms are like terms, so they will get added to give us 12 times 2 raised to the power of x plus 32. Now our next task will be to factorize this given equation. Now we know that the factors of 32 are 4 times 8. So we can use these two factors to split the middle term. So we have 2 raised to the power of x whole squared. So 12 times 2 raised to the power of x can be split as 8 plus 4 times 2 raised to the power of x plus 32 equals to 0, or we have 2 raised to the power of x whole squared minus 8 multiplied to 2 raised to the power of x minus 4 times 2 raised to the power of x plus 32. Now we'll take 2 raised to the power of x as the common factor from the first term and the second term. So we have 2 raised to the power of x common. So this will be multiplied to 2 raised to the power of x minus 8. And from the third and the fourth term, we'll take negative 4 as the common factor. So we have 2 raised to the power of x minus 8 equals to 0. So this gives us, we have now two terms, and in the two terms, this is the common factor. So we have 2 raised to the power of x minus 8. So from the first term, we are left with 2 raised to the power of x, and from the second term, we are left with negative 4. So the product of these two numbers are 0. So that means either of them must be equals to 0. Now we have 2 raised to the power of x as equals to 8, and 2 raised to the power of x equals to 4. Let me do it here. So 2 raised to the power of x equals to 8 means 2 cubed, or 2 raised to the power of x equals to 4 means 2 squared. So here the base are exactly the same, so that means the power must be the same. So we have either x equals to 3 or x equals to 2. So these are the two solutions, but the thing is x cannot be equals to 2. We can check that out because we have the middle term given by log of 2 raised to the power of x minus 5. We have log of 2 raised to the power of x minus 5. Now if we substitute the value of 2 here, so what we'll get? We'll get log of 2 squared minus 5. So 2 squared is 4. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. And this is undefined because we cannot have a negative value here, or it cannot be 0 as well. Now log of x, this is defined for all values of x which are greater than 0 only. For any values of x which is equals to 0 or less than 0, the log x will become undefined. So we cannot consider x to be equals to 2. So x equals to 3 is the only valid solution.